And this question is a request from Alinani Sinkala. One of my subscribers asked me to solve this question for him. Alright, so in the question they have said it is given that W varies directly as the square of x and inversely as y. Write an expression for W in terms of x, y, and the constant. Alright, so an expression will look like this. So say W varies, okay, directly, so there must be a k. This k means constant, as the square of x. So square, we know it's power 2, and inversely, inverse is supposed to be divided by y. So this may look like this. So it means you are done. Once you just write something like this, you are done. This is the answer. You form some kind of a formula, the formula you use to solve some other questions. So now here they are saying if x is -6, y is 12, and w is equal to 15, find the value of k, or find k. So we're going to use this same formula to find k. So let's copy the formula. This is how it looks. So now where there is w, we're going to put 15, because here they have said is equal to 15. And then k we don't have. Where there is x, we're going to put negative 6 here where there is x, over y. What's our y? Y is 12, is equal to 12. And then we can solve here. We have 15 is equal to -6 squared is 36. Then k here over 12. We know that 12 can go into 36 how many times? 3 times. So we remain with something like 15 is equal to 3k. So we divide by 3, divide by 3. Our answer will be equal to, let me write it here, to be equal to k is equal to 5, because 3 can go into 15 5 times, so it will be equal to 5. This is our answer. We go to the next one, where they are saying find the value of y when x is equal to 8 and w is equal to 20. So we use the same formula. So it's very important to write the correct formula. So we use this same formula. So where there is w, we put 20, and where there is k, we put 5, because we just found k to be equal to 5. And where there is x, we put 8 squared here over y, and our interest is to solve for y. So we can clean it up. Here it will be 5 times 8 squared is 64 over y. So we can solve. Here it will be 20 is equal to 5 times 64. The answer will be equal to 320 over y. So we can now cross multiply. So we have 20y is equal to 320. So we cross multiply like this: y times 20 over 20 over 20. Y will be equal to 16, because 20 into 320 is 16. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and tell more of your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright.